our tool or improve our methodology rather. And thanks a lot. Thank you very much. And I would like to thank all of our distinguished speakers here. Sir, without your support, this kind of initiative is never be possible. So, yeah. Yes. Thanks a lot, sir.
First, I will say, it's a really proud moment for us that TERI has come out with these two kinds of tool. One is that web-based GIS tool for Chandigarh. To start with, they have started with the Chandigarh city, but hopefully they will cover other big cities also, including Delhi. In fact, they're already working on Delhi. So this is one, and this Android version of this application, I am using it for the last 4 or 5 days. Mr. Alekia Datta has given me, and I can share my experience that whatever data, that whatever energy generation that we are getting from, say, 100 kilowatt system in Chandigarh, this mobile application is also roughly near to that. In fact, in Chandigarh, we are getting really from 100 kilowatt system in a yearly yearly energy generation, solar energy generation is around 1,35,000 unit. And this application is giving around 1,32,000 units. So it is very, I would say that as far as Chandigarh is concerned, I have tested it and it is really a good application. And I would request everybody, one of you, that you should download this application and can start using it. Because for a layman, suppose somebody, a household is interested, suppose if some industry is interested, he can have some his consultant, he can have his technical people. But a layman, a domestic resident, if he is interested, he can just simply see the application, put the rooftop area of his building, and then he get the information that what is the payback period, how much electricity throughout the year we will get. That's a big thing done by TERI, and I would congratulate TERI and his entire team, and Mr. Alekia Datta in particular, that he had all been, we had been going on for discussion in the 11 o'clock, 11:30 in the night time, because he was very much interested that before 12th of March this tool should come out. And I'm really thankful to Mr. Alekia for taking this initiative with a zeal, and that is why we have come out with, and so that what his intention is that the solar PV system should go to each and every household. Like every application is there nowadays, a lot of application on the Android. So why not solar PV system? People should know what we can use and what we cannot. So it's a very good initiative by TERI as well as Mr. Alekia Datta. I'm very thankful to you. Regarding Chandigarh, I would not take much time. Chandigarh has been declared by a model solar city by Government of India, and we started this journey just 2 years back, and we started from January because TERI has prepared our master plan for the solar city, and it was got approved in the month of January, and then from there on we started our journey. And I would like to share with you that till today we have around 2 megawatt rooftop installation. Already 2 megawatt installations are working at various colleges and government institutions. And in this year, 3 megawatt installation is going on, like 1 megawatt in the Punjab Engineering College. There is a Punjab Engineering College in Chandigarh. We have 14